From this house, it was probably about 30 to 45 seconds, maybe to a minute, for all of the grass to be burnt and for the fence to be completely burnt down alongside the rest of that shed as well.
I've been in the fire brigade for over 26 years, and this year in particular has just been like nothing I've ever seen before. I've been on really large grass fires, but the scale of them. Now, the fire brigade, we coped, we managed to attend every incident, but the pressure on us was huge because it was all across London. And this is why it's so vital that we just try and keep safe, particularly as the second potential heat wave is coming this week.
I'll get that little piece of dandruff off.